Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of bland coffee that's just not hitting the spot? Well, let me introduce you to the CUSIMAX espresso machine, a game changer in the world of semi-automatic espresso machines. This top-rated bestseller is a powerhouse that will take your coffee experience to the next level. With thousands of customers raving about it, you know you're in good hands. The CUSIMAX espresso machine comes with a plethora of accessories, including a grinder, portafilter, and spoon and tamper, giving you everything you need to get started. The first thing you'll notice when you use this machine is the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee beans, which is made possible by the included grinder. The sound of the espresso flowing into your cup is music to your ears, and the feel of the sturdy portafilter in your hand is reassuring. The result is a velvety smooth shot of espresso that's full of flavor and texture. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just a casual fan, this machine is sure to impress. In real life, this machine is a beast, capable of handling everything from strong lattes to delicate cappuccinos. The included 51mm 1-cup and 2-cup filters give you the flexibility to make drinks for yourself or for a crowd. The dosing ring and spoon and tamper make it easy to get the perfect amount of coffee every time, and the user manual and quick start guide ensure that you're up and running in no time. What sets the CUSIMAX espresso machine apart from other machines on the market is its ease of use and versatility. Unlike other machines that can be finicky and difficult to clean, this one is a breeze to use and maintain. The stainless steel body is durable and easy to wipe down, and the compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or offices. So why settle for subpar coffee when you can have a world-class? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.